That has nothing to do with
10:15.
me because are you?
You're under arrest.
Okay. For
No.
what? Why are you arresting me? Is your?
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
Wow.
This is not, this isn't, don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not.
Lock this.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
On July 18th, 2025, in Ocean Ridge, Florida, a traffic stop for an expired registration tag ended in the warrantless custodial arrest of a pregnant woman, raising hard questions about officer discretion and constitutional limits.
Anyway, she could back out.
Just a minute.
Okay, good.
January
10-4. How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Galucia with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
Okay.
Okay?
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is
Am I
expired.
starting any crime?
Yes, your tag is expired.
You have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right now.
You have
So I'll
another
need your license.
supervisor?
You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your
You
information...
call your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for your
It's upon
supervisor.
demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my
You're a public
supervisor.
servant.
You wait. Because
You serve the public.
Yes.
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt
509.
anybody. I'm not.
526, would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially. So.
Your tag is expired. Come here, I'll show you.
No.
It's right here.
Okay.
Stay here, don't move. So is this your Jeep?
It is not.
Okay, I already know that.
Right. So. You
It's
asked
still a
me-
lawful stop.
It's lawful.
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful?
It's
Do you know the
legal, and
difference?
I'm not going to argue with
I'm
you.
not arguing, sir. I'm asking you a question.
I'm
Do
asking you
know
for your
the difference?
driver's license. You're
And I'm
driving a
asking you, do
vehicle
you
in the
know
state of
difference?
Florida, and
I'm
you are
traveling. I'm traveling.
So you're going to play that game.
No, I'm not playing any
Oh,
game.
yeah.
This is my freedom we're talking about
yeah,
here.
it is, and
And
sure.
we're talking about you.
My
as a
sergeant's on his
servant.
way, and
We're
you're not-
talking about you as a public servant.
my sergeant's on the way, and you can talk to
and
him.
we can talk to him.
Yeah,
And I hope you know.
I hope
your
you
job
know.
and what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
I hope you know too. Her tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance. Okay. She's traveling. Okay.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing
good.
great.
So I'm the day
Chilling
shift
now.
supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
yes.
what law am I am I
appa-
breaking?
apparently your
What law is that?
Okay. Can we see your license and registration, please?
That has nothing
Okay,
to do with
10:15.
me because are you
You're under arrest.
okay? For
No.
what? Why are you arresting me? Is your
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
wow?
This is
Please
not
don't-
this isn't Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not.
Lock this.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in.
Yeah, I'm down here. So of course, I'm on its way late.
Come on out. Step in.
What is this place?
The Ocean Ridge Police Department.
This is K-Back.
Step into the cell. Step into the cell.
Why step into there? How are you putting me in here?
Why am I putting you in here?
Yes.
Why do you think I'm putting you in here?
Why are you putting me in here? This is absurd.
Turn around.
Wow. This is absurd.
What you're gonna do is provide your driver's license.
I don't have a driver's
Or an
license.
ID.
You didn't ask for an ID. You said driver's license or registration. You did not ask for an ID.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see that on camera, so.
Face the wall.
Can someone come in here to speak with me?
Everything on you I need to know about.
Under Florida Statute Section 316, 605, an expired registration tag is a civil infraction, not a crime. That distinction is foundational to everything that follows in this analysis. Florida Statute Section 316, 650 requires a driver to produce a license, registration, and insurance upon demand. Failure to comply is a second-degree misdemeanor, and Florida Statute Section 901(15) authorizes warrantless arrest for misdemeanors committed in the officer's presence. Statutory authority to arrest technically existed here, but statutory authority and sound judgment are two separate things, and this footage puts both on trial. The subject invoked the traveling argument, claiming she was not engaged in commercial activity and therefore not subject to licensing requirements. Federal and state courts, including Florida courts, have unanimously rejected this argument. It carries no legal weight. The legal picture shifted when she disclosed, inside the holding cell, that she had no driver's license at all. Florida Statute Section 32203 makes operating a vehicle without a license a separate misdemeanor, distinct from the failure to produce charge that triggered her arrest. Failure to produce and failure to possess are legally different. The officers never pivoted to address the correct offense. The arrest was structured around document production, while the actual underlying violation was identified only after custody had already been taken. The Supreme Court in Atwater v. City of Lago, Vista, 532 U.S. 318, held that custodial arrests for minor traffic infractions do not categorically violate the Fourth Amendment. That ruling was a constitutional flaw. It was not an endorsement of the decision. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, requires the force of arrest to be objectively reasonable under the totality of circumstances. A pregnant subject in a non-violent civil infraction stop is exactly what that standard is designed to address. Officer Glues receives a C. The stop was lawful. The warning about legal consequences was accurate. Calling a supervisor was appropriate, and no excessive force was deployed. Those are real credits and they matter. But he debated lawful versus legal, a distinction that means nothing in Florida courts. He did not adjust for the disclosed pregnancy, and he did not reframe his investigation when she revealed she had no license at all. The issue here is judgment, not misconduct. The day shift supervisor receives a C-. He correctly confirmed the stop was lawful, but he moved directly to arrest authorization without exploring any lower-level resolution. A supervisor's function at a developing scene is proportional judgment, not automatic ratification of the line officer's position. The subject receives a B. She did not physically resist during the arrest, which was legally sound and prevented serious escalation. She also accurately identified that officers requested a driver's license specifically, not a government-issued ID, a distinction she used effectively. But invoking the traveling theory cost her the opening of this encounter. Had she disclosed up front that she had no license, officers would have been working under Florida Statute Section 322.03, and the entire arrest calculus might have been different. This footage had decision points on both sides. Every lesson here comes directly from the law and from what the camera captured. Let's walk through them. Lesson 1. Know the difference between a civil infraction and a criminal offense. An expired tag is civil. Failure to produce a license is a misdemeanor. Driving without one is a separate misdemeanor. Refusing to engage with any of these charges does not make them go away. Lesson 2. The traveling argument is legally dead. Every court that has considered it has rejected it. Using it in a traffic stop signals non-compliance and accelerates escalation. If you want to protect your rights, learn the law that actually governs your situation. Lesson 3. If you do not have the document being requested, say so immediately. The words "I do not have a driver's license" are material information that changes the statutory framework. Withholding that until you are in a holding cell removes every opportunity for a different outcome. Lesson 4. Supervisory authority is not a rubber stamp. A pregnant woman in a non-violent civil infraction stop is exactly the scenario that command-level judgment exists to address. Endorsing arrest without exploring alternatives is a failure of that function. Lesson 5. The authority to arrest and the wisdom of arresting are not the same question. Atwater confirmed a minor traffic arrest may be constitutional. It did not say it was good policing. Discretion and proportionality are the standard, not optional extras. At the time of this analysis, the outcome of any charges or civil proceedings is unknown. No records have been located. Any prosecution would face scrutiny around the failure to produce versus failure to possess distinction, and a Section 1983 civil rights claim would carry genuine legal merit. If there is an interaction or legal topic you want us to break down, drop it in the comments. If this analysis was useful, a thumbs up and a subscription to our channel go a long way. We will see you in the next one.